It's nothing better than coming into a home that feels welcoming, comfortable, and warm. All of the things you feel when it's cozy. If you are in search of updating your home to feel this way, I would like to help by sharing my 5 top tips to help you achieve this in an affordable way. Let's start with the first one, scented candles. Have you ever walked into a room that smells like someone just baked an apple pie or sugar cookies? Do you remember how it made you feel? This is the same feeling that you can achieve with scented candles. Lighting up a few of your favorite scented candles can instantly set the mood in the room. It will help calm and relax your mind, and it reduces stress and gives you comfort. Number 2, decorative pillows. Try buying a couple of pillow covers to place over your existing pillows. This changes the look of the room and it saves you from having to buy new pillow inserts. Pillows are things we gravitate towards when we want to rest. Changing out a couple of your pillows will definitely do the trick in making your home feel cozy. Number 3, throw blankets. Throw blankets help keep you warm, and if it's weighted, helps you sleep even better at night. They are a great decorative piece to add that is also functional. It adds a textured layer of decor that keeps you feeling warm and cozy when it's wrapped around you. Number 4, area rugs. Adding an area rug to either a hard or carpeted surface is a great way to bring even more warmth, texture, and comfort into the room. Area rugs also helps absorb sound in the room and provide a softer surface for you to walk on. And finally, number 5, warm decor colors. Try adding decorative objects and wall colors that have warm hues such as gold, orange, peach, taupe, cream, and etc. Sprinkling around warm colors throughout your home can create that cozy vibe that you have been wanting. If you like this video and would like to learn more about how you can enhance your home, check out these videos.